Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network. In this video it's a short demonstration for the iCarsoft VAWS version 1.0, which is the VW Audi Group workstation. So it works on like VW, Audi, Seat and Skoda vehicles. But if you are interested in this tool, I'm going to pop the link to this kit in the description below this video. Now, fakes and clones do exist and they can damage your vehicle, so it's really important to go for the genuine product. But as I say, don't worry about that. Click the link in the description and that'll take you to the genuine and official product. So it's a 2018 VW Golf we have here. We've got the check engine light and an airbag light, and we're just going to basically do a demonstration of this tool diagnosing and resetting those warning lights. Well, that's the plan in any case. So we've got the tool plugged in here and we're going to select VW. Now you'll notice as I'm going through it gives like a beeping sound. You can turn that off, so don't worry about that. You can either choose your vehicle or you can choose, if we click vehicle selection, it gives us potentially 96. So instead of going through all of those, you can just go straight to the system that you want to diagnose. And I'm going to go to manual, so we're going to go to the engine system. It gives us two options for engine systems. The first one should be fine. It's a petrol engine that we have right now. So we're going to go to read fault code. And it's going to give us the fault codes as to why this check engine light is on. So the first one is C118722, and that is like a brake booster over limit exceeded. It doesn't really ring true with what an engine fault would look like. This, however, does. Intake air temperature sensor 1, bank 1, circuit high, and the fault code P011300. So that is, well, we know that was the reason for the check engine light, because we'd previously diagnosed this and it needed a new mass airflow sensor, or MAF. So we'll put a new MAF in, and then we just need to tell the ECU that we've put a new mass airflow sensor in, and then we can erase the fault codes and the warning lights. So if we keep an eye on the check engine light when I do this, clear fault memory, OK, check engine light is gone, erase operation done. Interestingly, let's go back in and see if there are any other faults there. It's telling us there are no faults there this time, which is good. So it's the same real procedure for the airbag system. And we go to airbag. We found a loose connection underneath the driver's seat, which has been put back in. So we'll go read fault code. Driver thorax airbag igniter resistance too high. So you will get a resistance too high if the plug has been unplugged. Clear fault memory, and again when I click OK, just keep an eye on the airbag light. There we go, airbag light has gone. So that is the VAWS version 1.0, and it will cover all systems as well. All systems within the vehicle, and as I say, it does VW, Audi, Seat, Skodas, and it also does your service warning light as well. So if you've got like a service that needs to be reset, it'll also do that, and a steering angle sensor reset as well. Remember, it's if you are wanting to get the genuine version, which obviously you probably should get, it's www.diagnostic-world.com, but I will pop the link to the genuine kit in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.